Here with a mukbang. Got some voodoo fries, as y'all see. This is my second time having this. Celery, ranch, and we actually ordered the dry Cajun, but I don't too much care for that. Hubby want that flavor, but I got mango habanero and lemon pepper and carrots and some regular fries I stole from the kids. There we go. And then, yeah. So, about to grub, y'all. I'm sitting in my room, then living room. Got me a good old Pepsi just in case I want it. And some H2O. Cause you know y'all know I like my water. So, try this good old celery first. It's good, y'all. Would y'all like a bite of celery? Try these voodoo fries. Like I said, it's my second time having them. So, hopefully they still some good to me. If y'all watched my mukbang a year ago, that was my first time having them. They still good, y'all. I need me a water break. Y'all just heard it. I'm so clumsy. And I got it filled all the way to the top too, so. Woo. They regular fries are bomb too. That's why I couldn't resist them. Try one of these mango habanero. Y'all want the first bites? For the people who didn't like ranch, people that want ranch, there you go. Sometimes it's a hit or miss. Like sometimes they be super, super spicy where I be sweating. And sometimes they don't be as spicy. They spicy this time. Ooh. Goodness. This is probably my best wing place, y'all, that I like. Still. It's a couple more wing places I like, but these are the best to me. It's always fresh when I have had it. As y'all know my motto, I'm not trying to be looking cute for y'all, trying to eat all cute. Because this is how I eat. And it's my dinner, so I'm pretty hungry. We pretty hungry. Get some more of these voodoo fries. What's y'all favorite wing from Wingstop if y'all have ate at Wingstop before? Or if you haven't, what's your favorite flavor wings? Comment below. I was gonna do this mukbang with the kids, and then have my hubby do it with me, but I was like, I didn't feel like honestly trying to set up, trying to do it for like 4 people and getting that angle in and all that. It's easier for one person. Because we had like a big table. And Yeah. Try one of these lemon pepper. They ain't really got too much lemony pepper on it, as y'all see. It ain't too much on there. Normally, they be having a lot. Taste the lemon pepper still. It's just not as lemony. And so, I'm kind of getting full and I barely ate anything, but I did have a lot of water. So that might be why. My kids woke still. I don't know if I said they might try to run up in here in a minute. They was in the kitchen eating dinner. They eating the same thing. The lemon pepper wrap. Some carrot. People that want some ranch. When I went to Wingstop and ordered, it's hard to find good people who have good customer service. I'm wasting stuff. The girl, she looked super young. And she had really good customer service, and I had to commend her on that. Especially like where I stay at, or for young people, you know, they not good in customer service no more. It's sad to say, but it's true. I don't believe it. I hate when that happens. Anybody else had these problems, let me know. I'm back here eating. Go.
I need
some more.
No, get in here. Come on.
Y'all see, that's why I wait till they sleep. Go. Because I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna be running in here back and forth. Y'all, these fries burn. So tell me why y'all went to the store today. One of the stores we went to was Dollar Tree to get, like, you know, little stockings, the stuff that go inside the little stockings for the kids. So tell me why I'm getting ready to get in the line. You know, it's only, if y'all go to Dollar Tree, it normally be like 2 registers open. So the lines was long. And I went to go get in the line. It was a lady, like, let's say the line right here. It was a lady on this side, like this the line, where everybody lined behind each other. She way over here looking at the chips. So I got my basket, and I was going to ask her, like, was she in line? Because normally I do that. But she wasn't. Normal person in line, they're going to be looking back and forth at the line and all that. So I had to basically turn my cart towards the line because I had to come this way to get in line. Because I didn't go all the way around. Because I didn't know where the line ended. So she was like, I was in line. I was like, oh, I didn't know because you was looking at the chips. So I moved over so she can go ahead and go in the front. So she was supposedly in line. I had food in my hand. And she said, oh, it's okay. I know it's okay. You lucky I was being nice and then say, no, you wasn't. Like, I'm glad I got like a little bit more patience and my mouth not as foul as it used to be, because she would have got a mouthful. Like, how are you in line? You way over there looking at chips. Like, I don't get it. Like, you knew you went in line. As soon as I said, oh, I didn't know you was in line. You was way over there looking at chips. She was like, oh, well, you can go ahead. What you tried to do was try me. But I came at you politely. Or whatever. So, my people crazy. I don't get it at all. We got most of the stuff for the stockings. Like, it was literally, if it's showing too many people out. So, in every store we went in. So, we went through like, what, 3 stores, I think? So, we really couldn't, it wasn't a lot of space to get in the aisles. I'm like, it's crazy because it's Thursday. Like, it's during the week. Maybe it's because everybody trying to get last minute Christmas stuff, you know. They gotta be what it is. Yeah, it's so good and fresh. As y'all see, I'm laid stuff on my clothes. I can't eat without wasting. Crazy. I think I'm on my Pepsi now. Some caffeine. I don't think I had a coffee from Starbucks today. My leftover coffee, but I wasn't feeling it. Like, past few days, I just haven't been feeling coffee. I ended up giving it to my husband. So, that's basically my first caffeine for today. Yeah. Beef fries. The first time I had them, it was a different Wingstop location. The girl put a lot of salt on it. It was still good, but it was more salty. But they good like this too. We threw it out. I know the first time I tried them, I was skeptical of even trying them because I was kind of scared with all the ingredients that's in it. And then, not knowing how my taste buds would be. Woo. Woo, this one's super spicy. Yeah, I want to try after I had a baby. Or maybe, I don't know if I want the plaque, the 1 chip challenge. I want to try that chip. But so many people, how they be acting like it's super, super hot. And I don't know, I never had that one. I had the ones you buy from the store in the bag, but not the 1 chip one. If y'all know what I'm talking about, comment below. But, I was like, maybe I should try if I'm going labor, it could send me into labor. Or just wait till after the baby get here. But I've been wanting to try that for a long time. But the last time, when I was supposed to try it last year, it was out of stock. Like, I tried for months and months and months. And it was out of stock for months. I guess everybody was trying to do it. But I haven't looked recently online, like on Amazon and stuff, to see if they had it. But, yeah. But one person I know, she said, I can't remember what store she said she got it from. Or whatever. And I haven't looked for it. I said if I found it, I'd go ahead and buy it and just save it. Just in case. But yeah. I'm probably gonna wait till after baby. Because I might not be able to move how I want to. If it's that hot, how people say. And with a belly and all. Because I will wait till like I'm super, like 9 months to try it. But this baby like hot stuff. But I don't know if I try to give her something that's that hot. If it's that hot.